One people. Okay, who say the first story?
This story that we just heard is about Ananse and his family. His family were made up of the wife and then 4 kids. One was called Ntekuma, and he is the eldest. Then the next one was Big Belly, because he's got a very big belly. And the other one had a dangling head, very big head, and is always dangling, so they call him dangling head. And then the other one is Daddy Long Legs, because he's got slim, lanky legs. So Ananse and his wife Aso made a very big farm. They weeded the farm, planted all types of food that they can get, all types of food crops. When it was harvest time, Kweku, upon realizing that the farm is now very beautiful, pretended to be dead, to be very sick. He pretended that he was very sick and he was almost dying. The next day, Ananse died. But before he died, he told the wife that if he died, they should bury him in his farm. So when Kweku died, they took him to his farm and buried him. The whole village wept him, but not knowing Ananse was ready for one of his mischiefs. When Kweku was buried, the family left him and then went back to their house. The next day they came to the farm only to realize that almost half of the crops were gone. This is very serious. They don't know who the thief was. They set all traps to get him, but they couldn't get the person. So when Aso came the next day again, another half was gone. Aso started singing, and the song that Nana Hima just sang, it goes, I can't really sing the song, but I'll give you the explanation. It was like, Kweku, the farm that we made, someone is eating up all the crops. Someone is stealing all the crops out of the farm. When she ended the song, yes, so we are starving.
Me and the children starving. Yes.
Right after the song ended, someone responded, Aso, it's me, or I've eaten my own thing, or it's me, or I've eaten my own thing. Aso was shocked. Who is responding to the song? The person mentioned the name Kweku. That's Kweku, I've eaten my thing. I've eaten my thing.
One responded. He sang the song that you hate, you're a lazy person. You never like sowing, you never like planting, you never like to do nothing in the farm. That's what the first song. So they were shocked. Who on earth can tell us this? So when it went on repeatedly, he gave himself up. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okonoria, the wife is Okonoria. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe the first lady.
Yeah, so
the first lady is Ananse's kingdom.
So when the song ended, I saw Okonoria was very, very shocked. Who responded to the song? She went home again, came the next day, another half was gone. Hey! She sang the song again, and the response came from nowhere. So she went back to the village and told the people in the village that someone, when I go to my farm, I find that almost half of the crops are gone. And whenever I sing this song, someone responds to the song. So the people in the village came to the farm and she sang the song again. This time the person who responded said, Kweku, I've eaten my own thing, Kweku. So they realized that then is no other person than Kweku Ananse himself. They searched around the farm and then they found him. Kweku Ananse, when he realized that they've caught him upon his shame, he jumped to the ceiling. I don't know the place here. He jumped to the ceiling and hid there. That is why anytime you will see a spider or Kweku Ananse, he's always hiding in the ceiling. So that's
Yeah, the pictures make sense.
Yeah. Does it make sense?
It makes sense, yes. There was a...
So what do we learn from this? So what do we learn from this story? Since you are a father of the house, you should take responsibility. But this man was so cruel. He was so selfish to himself and the family. So at the end, he was caught and ashamed. So he never came in the same person again. He kept hiding at the corners. You see, that's why we always see Ananse some in the ceiling. One, two, me, don't have me follow. 1, 2, 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 don't have me follow. 1, 2, bra.
You. And you go queer Nancy. And then the year come lawyer. And on the bar in Tikuma. No bar comes to Kenny. A fruit of the now, come here. And I want no more. Never queer Nancy say. Or per se, for your fool, and man a bushing of form. And you go queer Nancy, yes, I say, Cacra, best of honey, Abu. Or Doya, Buye, or Boy, or Sea, or Pammy. No, and then you didn't my dear, the animal canny board, dear. Bibia, how dear Bibia. If we're near coming. I say, that way, how quick say, me yari. Catch it, and you didn't the muscle yari. Nah, we are. One will see when they could have near finding coffee. Hey, I'm para, and I saw somebody in Chedini. We are not saying we and say, or seeing the could have empty. See, and the could have. Now, quite any mammy, a coffee. And say a coffee, and I didn't watch it. Yeah, before I buy and not. Boy, dear man, can you tuning in? I dare say, I could phone out if we must say. Now, who can afford Nanuatu? Queer. If we're not the Jamino, will be any more deal. Now, what no so I guess. Jayo me di madio, jayo me chidado. Jayo me di madio, jayo me chidado. Jayo me di madio, jayo me chidapam. Jayo me di madio, jayo. Na, efi. Yeah, somebody. Na how the day you mo isu. No asaya atubi. Kwe Ananse. If we are with the Jamino, be a demadio cry. Yayo medi madio, Yayo machidado, Yayo medi madio, Yayo machidapam, Yayo medi madio, Yayo. And I, Kwe Ananse. Oh, yes, I'm not feeling mammy. Who in the park with this argument to Obama here on by any about the cake. Me ashe.
I just cross over them. Didn't Kwawe, job before the choir, but then that's not them. Kwawe, job before the choir, but then that's not them. Kwawe, job before the choir, but then that's not them. Kwe Ananse. In Crawford, we try who she said that you're very papa. I and you were just one. To obey sign chassis. Kwe. If we're not the Jamino,
Obi adi mu adi okura. Yayo me di madio, yayo me chirado. Yayo me di madio, yayo me chirado. Yayo me di madio, me chirado. Yayo me di madio, yayo. And then the old who says, Ananse. Or no other no shed a William Ha. I will dinner be an no. And to one of my Boda, Ananse, I was so well, say, oh, movie. As someone saw me any hoodie, any party, any crowd. It is somebody who's Ananse, I know a sad party. Yeah, Ananse, I would say, though, and yet the Muffin Conam for Bimla.